Canbest Optoelectrical Science and Technology Company Limited, established in 2008, which is a high-tech company engaged in manufacturing, marketing, indoor and outdoor LED display, providing integrated solutions for advertising media, entertainment industry, stadiums, stages, architectural industry, etc. All kinds of our products are in accordance with CCC, CE, FCC, RoHS certificates for global markets. We are also with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification. Canbest specializes in LED display, LED module, and components of visual and audio display, and has possessed the leading technology for small pixel pitch HD LED display and outdoor SMD high brightness LED display in domestic market. In Canbest, technician is 40%, high education professional staff is 60%. Canbest has the most creative, innovative R&D technical team in LED industry. Our company has the most advanced full automatic production lines, professional test equipment, high effective and serious management system in the industry, which has made strong foundation to create premium product and advantage development. And our products have exported to more than 100 countries covering Europe, Asia, and America. Canbest is always adhering to honest, responsible, dedicated action to run business and continue to make innovative breakthrough in products, service, and business model. Standing out in the challenging LED industry via differentiation, we make every possible effort to meet customers' requirements and ensure mutual benefit and long-term cooperation.